back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys. I'm going to pack up the sweet treat kits. I'm going to do the reveal today as promised. I have 5 kits available for sale. This is first come, first serve. It is live right now. If you are interested in my sweet treat kits, all you need to do is just send me an email at scrappassion01@yahoo.com. This will be US only, PayPal, family, and friends. If you do not have PayPal, I will accept Cash App. And the price for the kit will be $50 shipped. So I'm going to pack up everything so you can see what you will be receiving. If you are interested and you are one of the first 5, I will let you know via email. I will give you my PayPal information to go ahead and make payment. I've asked that you make payment promptly. So when I contact you 30 minutes from that time, I will expect payment. If not, I will have to go to the next buyer. And I do it like that in order to be fair so that everyone could get a fair opportunity. Let's just get started and let me share with you what will be available in this kit. I'm going to package it up with you. So first off in this kit, you will be receiving a 6x6 paper pad. You'll receive the sugar and spice. So here are the patterns, and I also use this paper pad to create some of my embellishments. So you'll receive this in your kit. Let's get that in here. Next up in your kit, you're going to receive these stickers right here that match the collection. Really cute. Next, you're going to receive these stickers right here. Also, it matches the collection. It has all of these phrases that you can use for your crafting. So you're going to get that. Also, you're going to receive these decorative tags. You're also going to receive this container. I love to include this container with some of my handmade items. So let's just go ahead and pack this up. I already have some things in here. So you're going to receive one of my handmade doily embellishments right here. This cute little charm right here. Ice cream cone charm. You're going to get that. Next in here, you're going to receive my faux little candies here. You're going to get 2 of those. And then I also have this one inside of here. These are the little gummy bear candies I made. So you're going to receive that. All right. You're also going to receive the cotton candy paper clip. Let's stick that in here. And I have a playlist, you guys, if you want to see everything a little closer. I'll leave a link below to the playlist for you guys to check that out. And you can get a closer look of everything. Next up, you're going to receive my faux donuts, the sprinkled one and the chocolate covered donuts. You're going to get 2 of those. Okay. Next, you're going to receive my faux chocolate candy bar. So that's going to go here. Next up, you're going to receive the word sweet die cut out. You're going to get 3 of these. Now, the kits do vary. Some of them have 2, and then they have a small sweet die cut, and then some have 3. Okay, so they vary, okay, per kit. All right, so you're going to get that. And then next, you're going to receive this cute little this is a lip gloss. I thought this was really cute and fun. So you're going to get that. Also, you're going to receive these cute charms right here. These are 2 ice cream charms. You're going to get those. And I think that's it for this in here. Okay. that's all for this. And so let me put this inside. All right, so that's how that's gonna look. So let's put this inside. It's gonna go like that, okay? All right, so you're gonna get all those goodies. Next up, you're gonna receive the buttons I made to go with the collection. You're gonna receive those. You're gonna receive these bling pieces so you can use with your crafting. So you're gonna get that. You're gonna receive a die. So this Cottage Cuts ice cream cone die, you're gonna get that. Here it is right here. It's the size, so it's a good size. So you're gonna get that. Next up, you're gonna receive the cake pops that I made. You're gonna get that. So I'm gonna put that in here. Let's put this over here. Okay, go like that. Next up, you're gonna receive my cotton candy ice cream. So that's gonna go in there. We can get that in there. Kind of snug, but it's gonna fit. Okay, put that down in there. Next, you're gonna receive the cute bow with the cute cabochon. Gonna get that. I told you my kit comes jam-packed, okay? It's worth the money, okay? Next up, you're gonna receive this cute pen with this cute little cupcake top. Okay, you're gonna get that. Put that in here. All right. Next up, you're gonna receive the tassels I made. Remember I showcased the cute tassel, the yarn tassels. You're gonna get one of those. Put that in there. Next, you're gonna receive this cute, I call it like a little lollipop container, and it's full of these really pretty pink rhinestones. They are so pretty, you guys. So you're gonna get that. You can use these in your crafting. All right, next, let me pull this over here, put this over there to the side and share with you the cabochons you're gonna get. So you're gonna get some of these cabochons, and of course they will vary kit to kit, okay? So, but this is for this kit, and these are the really pretty sweet treat themed cabochons that you'll receive. And I'm gonna put it in this bag. Aren't they yummy, yummy, yummy? So let me put that in the bag and I'll come back. All right, so here it is right here, all packaged up. That is so cute. So you're gonna get those. And then if that's not enough, you're gonna receive this pretty ribbon with all this pretty glitter. It just reminds you of candy. So you're gonna get that ribbon, roller ribbon. So you're gonna have lots to play with in your kit to create some fun and cute projects. And then I'm going to include a free gift. So you're gonna get these alpha beads. So that's a free gift for you, just for shopping with me. And then last, my business card. This is what the box looks like. And this is a gift within itself. After you take everything or use everything, you can use this box for storage. Really cute, right? So I'm going to do the final packaging for this, and then I'll come back and share with you, what it looks like all packaged up. All right, I'm back, and here is how the kit looks with this cute yarn lollipop on top of the box, and then I have this bow here on the end. This is how your kit will come packaged up. I already have it shrink wrapped, and I'm going to put some bubble wrap around it as well to secure everything. But I am super pleased at how the kit turned out. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. The ones that are able to pick it up. So I'm going to put together another kit. So if you didn't get a chance to catch this kit, I'm going to do a Hello Kitty kit next. It won't be as big as this kit, but it'll be super cute too. So make sure you hit my notifications to be notified when I upload a video. I would love for you to join my crafty YouTube family. Hit the like button to help support my videos. You can also share if you like. I'm also on Instagram. I'm going to leave a link below so you can check me out over there. And again, if you want this kit, just email me at scrappassion01@yahoo.com. PayPal, family, and friends. When the kits sell out, I will put it in the title of the video so you will know. I'll just put all kits sold, okay? So you'll know, ahead of time if the kits are sold. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.